So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technicalum. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 9 5G. The specifications of Redmi Note 9 5G are MediaTek Dimensity 800U, 6.53 inches Full HD Plus display, 5000 mAh battery, 22.5 watt fast charging, 48 megapixels rear camera, 13 megapixel front camera, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 9 5G. The Redmi Note 9 5G will come in 3 color variants: green color, white color and blue color. There are 3 storage variants of Redmi Note 9 5G: 4GB plus 64GB, 4GB plus 128GB and 6GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Redmi Note 9 5G. This is the back side of Redmi Note 9 5G. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 9 5G will be in the mid of the December. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 9 5G should be below 13,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.